Have you ever wanted to achieve your goals, but felt stuck? One of the most powerful tools to help you succeed is visualization. The practice of vividly imagining your goals as if they've already been achieved. Today we'll explore how visualization can turn your dreams into reality. Let's dive in. What is visualization? Visualization is the act of mentally rehearsing your goals and future successes. Scientifically, it's been shown that the brain responds as though you're physically performing the task when you vividly imagine it. This primes you to take action. For example, research from the University of Chicago found that basketball players who visualized their shots improved their performance just as much as those who practiced physically. Visualization strengthens neural pathways, making it easier for you to achieve your goals. Set specific goals. To effectively use visualization, you must first set clear, specific goals. Vague ambitions don't activate your brain the same way as concrete ones. By clearly picturing what you want, your brain will create the mental pathways needed to take action. Psychologist Edwin Locke's goal-setting theory shows that having specific, challenging goals significantly increases the likelihood of success. Goals should include precise details like numbers and deadlines. For instance, rather than saying, "I want to exercise," try, "I'll run for 30 minutes 3 times a week." Visualizing this concrete goal will greatly improve the effectiveness of your visualization practice. Segment 3. Attach emotions to your vision. To supercharge your visualization, connect positive emotions to your imagined success. When you visualize achieving your goal, feel the pride, joy, and fulfillment that comes with it. Emotions make the experience more vivid and motivate you to take action. Neuroscientists have shown that emotional imagery activates the brain's hippocampus and amygdala, embedding the vision deeply in your memory. This emotional connection enhances focus and drive toward your goal. Many successful athletes and entrepreneurs use this technique, imagining the joy and pride of their victories, which fuels their determination. Segment 4. Make visualization a daily habit. Visualization isn't a one-time activity. It becomes powerful when practiced regularly. By setting aside a few minutes each day to imagine your success, you create a mental blueprint that keeps you focused and motivated. For example, take 5 minutes each morning or night to vividly picture yourself achieving your goal along with the emotions of success. This daily practice reinforces the vision in your subconscious mind and shapes your behavior to align with your goals. By harnessing the power of visualization, you can turn your dreams into reality. Set specific goals, attach emotions to your vision, and make visualization a habit. Start today and unlock your full potential. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on success and goal setting.